Hey guys, welcome to the Phone Arena YouTube channel. Late last year, we unboxed the LG G8X ThinQ. So it was the smartphone that came with a dual screen accessory from LG, and it was kind of an answer to a foldable display from LG. Following that, LG recently announced the LG Velvet smartphone, and they have launched it in India as well, priced at rupees 36,990 without the dual screen, and if you opt for the dual screen, you need to pay 49,990. So what's new with the LG Velvet and what are the special features of this LG Velvet? Let's take a close look at the unboxing and features of the same. So without much further ado, let's get started with the video. So we get two boxes over here. One is the primary box that has the smartphone and another one is the LG dual screen. So let's open up the primary box first. Upon opening up the box, you get the LG Velvet itself with the sleek and premium design. And further down, you get the warranty card, the SIM ejector tool, and the quick start guide as well. Underneath that you get the LG fast charge adapter. So this is a 9 volt 1.8 ampere adapter that comes to almost 16 amps and 16 watts, I'm sorry. And this is a USB type C to type A cable. So what else we have in the box? So that's it for the main box contents. Let's also open up the dual screen box as well. Okay, so here we have the dual screen accessory for the Velvet itself. This says how to install dual screen and how to remove the dual screen. So this is just a quick start guide for this accessory as well. And unlike last year's dual screen that came with the LG G8X ThinQ, this one is slightly different on the design front. So this has a textured back compared to the glossy finish of the G8X ThinQ. And on the front as well, you now get a tiny cutout that is a cover display. So I'll get onto it in a bit, the features and everything. And as expected, you also get a pogo pin. So that's it for the box content. Let's quickly get on to the physical overview and features of the LG Velvet. So I have set up the phone and the setup process was fairly simple. And talking about the specifications of the device at first. So this is a 6.8-inch display and it's a 20.5:9 aspect ratio. So you get a full HD plus panel over here, and LG calls it Cinema Vision display. So and this time the display is elongated as well, and it is fairly large compared to the G8X ThinQ. And under the hood, this is powered by the Snapdragon 845 processor. Yes, you heard it right. This is not powered by the latest SoC, but LG has gone with the Snapdragon 845, which is a fairly popular SoC as well. And on the memory options, you get 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And you can also expand the storage up to 2 TB with a micro SD. And so let's get into the settings and I'll show you the about phone. System, about phone. So as you can see, it is running on Android version 10 out of the box, and I'm sure it will get the Android 11 upgrade as well soon. So coming to the storage, as I said, you get 128 GB of storage, and let's see what is the available storage right now. So 41.95 GB is in use and 128 GB of total, and right now 86.05 GB is free. And out of the box, there was a third-party app called Booking.com, which you can uninstall as well. And for the testing purpose, you have also installed some other benchmarks app and DRM info and other apps, etc. So this is the quick specifications of the LG Velvet. And talking about the design, so that is the primary focus of this smartphone. And as you can see on the back, this features a droplet style camera setup. So this is a triple camera array. One is lightly protruding on the outside and other two cameras are flushed into the glass. So this is a 48 MP primary camera, and the second one is an 8 MP ultra wide, and the third one is a 5 MP depth sensor, and you also get a LED flash as well. This comes in two color options. One is Aurora Silver and the second one is New Black. That is the one which we have over here. And since it is a glass back, smudges and fingerprints will get attracted, and you need to get a case with this smartphone to keep smudges and fingerprints at minimum. And this one thing to be noted is you don't get a silicone case or any protective case out of the box. If you opt for a dual screen, you can use that case, but if you're not opting for the dual screen, you need to get a third-party case for this smartphone. And coming to the physical overview of this smartphone, on the right side you get the power button, and there are antenna bands over here. And at the bottom you get the 3.5mm headphone jack. Fortunately, LG has still retained a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it's a very good thing, I'd say. and you also get a USB Type-C port and the speaker grill, the primary microphone, and towards the left you get 3 buttons over here, the volume up and volume down, and another is the assistant key. And towards the top you get the SIM slot tray and the secondary microphone accompanied by the antenna bands. And as I said, on the back you get a triple camera layout and the LG branding. So moving on to the speakers. So as I said, it has stereo speakers, and let's quickly play one of the NCS music and see how the quality is. And this supports HDR video as well, so I'll show you HDR video content as well right now. So as you can see, 1080p 60 HDR video. And this has a POLED display, and the content looks gorgeous on it, to be honest. Coming to the optics. So as I said, there's a triple camera setup on this, and this is the UI that you get. As you can see, there are tons of modes on this: photo, video, time lapse, and portrait mode. And you also get a manual camera mode, that is a pro camera mode. And going into the more settings, you get the night view, panorama, slow motion, and you also have the option to go live directly from here, and AR stickers. So let's quickly jump into the settings of this app. Settings. And as you can see, there's auto scene optimizer, AI composition, and you can toggle the HDR to auto or on or off, live photo, and over here you can see the different photo sizes. So at 48 megapixel you can shoot in 4:3, and 12 MP in 4:3, and if you go to 16:9 it all the way reduces to 9 megapixels, and in full vision you get 7 MP and 2.9 MP. And this is the photo settings. Moving on to the video settings, you can record up to 4K 30 fps and full HD full vision 1080p 60 fps videos, and there's support for HD videos, of course, and there's also support for steady recording. So this is EIS support on the LG Velvet. And the front camera, this is a 16 megapixel camera, and still LG is going with the notch design, and we don't get the punch hole design or the centered punch hole that we see on smartphones that have launched recently. So this is a 16 MP sensor on the front. And as usual, LG has loaded the camera with tons of features, and you can explore features according to your preferences. So as we have now seen the camera and speakers, let's quickly jump to the dual screen setup, because that is the most attractive feature of this LG Velvet smartphone. So this is how you set up the dual screen on the LG Velvet. You get a pogo pin connector over here, and once you set up the LG dual screen, you get the cutout for the 3.5mm headphone jack and the speakers and the primary microphone as well. And this is the pogo pin, as you can see. It just snaps in like that. So I'll quickly run through the use cases, the few use cases of the LG dual screen. So on the right hand side you can open up a Chrome tab, and on the left hand side you can open up, say, YouTube and play a video. And I'll just quickly show you a demo as well. So as you can see, videos playing on the left side dual screen, and I can still multitask on the main screen, open up Chrome or do whatsoever. And the second use case is you can open up a dialer and make a call to someone, and at the same time, if you want to quickly view some information, you can put it on speaker and you can check the second information on the left side on the dual screen. And furthermore, there is game launcher as well. So what this game launcher does is, this turns your primary screen into a gamepad, and on the left hand side you can play your games, that means Asphalt 8, Modern Combat 5, etc. So you can use the primary screen as a joystick, or use a secondary screen as a joystick and play the game on the primary screen. So this is a nifty feature, I'd say, on the LG Velvet with the dual screen accessory. And furthermore, there are many use cases that we can keep on talking, and you can customize it according to your preferences, and there are endless possibilities with the dual screen. So do let us know your thoughts. What do you think about the LG Velvet, and what use cases did you like about the dual screen? And this retails for 36,990 without the dual screen accessory, and if you opt for the dual screen, it comes around 49,990. So what do you think about this LG Velvet? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Manoj Nagendra signing off.